So next one, B, subsection B, voluntary compensation. One is permitted to give a gift to someone who performs service for him on Shabbos. However, it must be clear, both parties, that the gift is not obligatory payment for the service rendered, but voluntary bequest. Right? Thus, the employee may not demand a gift in double quotes, and cannot take offense if the gift is no gift is forthcoming. So, of course, we're allowed to give gifts to people who did something to us, or for some other reason. There is no problem. So needless to say, if somebody did some favor for you on Shabbos, right? But are you obligated to give gifts? No. Are these people allowed to demand gifts? Absolutely not. But in some places, I remember seeing the gratitude, right? Gratuity, well, whatever they call it, the tips for a driver. It's like a must. What do you mean? Like without, and they have a big basket like on exit of from the bus. What do you mean? Don't tip the driver. Like, so it is voluntarily, but they very demanding that you have to compensate. And some people, that's what they do. These waiters, they work very cheaply. I'm not sure that they work very cheaply, because this caterer makes tons of money. Why they have to work for a low salary? I'm not sure about that. But of course they pretend that they ask you to tip them, right? That's a different story. But here we're talking about the gift, the voluntary gift. So meaning, if somebody did something to us on Shabbos, he from on his goodwill. And he's not allowed to expect some compensation, but But it's only normal and right things to do to give a person a gift. It could be money gift or things, right? No problem.